Hello, philatelic friends. I've been loading all my stamp collection on the YouTube. I've uploaded many countries already. The next in the series is NORG, Norge, or we call it as Norway. Okay, few stamp collections are there. Do not know about the rarity. It is just a collection. So exhibiting the collection of the stamps which I have in my album. This is the first page of the album. NORG, Norge, or it is called as Norway. Okay. These are all the old stamp collections, nothing recently released. Everything I think before 1961, 1960. I've been collecting stamps from 1960, a huge collections of the stamps. Do not know the rarity of the stamps. Just now started segregating and making it to different albums. Okay. Now you can see a series of personality. I do not know who the person is. I'll have to find out from the catalog. Okay, different colors, the same personality. Okay. Yeah. Series of collections. Right. So I'll come to the second page of the collection. That is the second sheet of the album. Okay. Now, slightly bigger stamp. One Savage stamp has crept in. That is a Sweden stamp. But anyway, I'll two of the Savage stamps have crept in. Anyway, I have to segregate. I'll segregate into Sweden stamps. Okay, here also in Sweden stamp has crept in, so I'll have to take out that. Otherwise, almost all the stamps are from Norway. This is also one more Sweden stamps as scripted. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to make one combined album of Sweden and Norway. So immediately after the Norway stamps, I'll be showing the Sweden stamps. All are in good condition, not damaged. Postal marks are very clear. Taken out from the postal covers neatly. Taken out from the postal covers. Okay. Here. Okay. I'll come to the third page of the album. Okay. All Norway series. Same personality. They are not defined the personality on the stamp. So I'll have to go into the catalog and see who that person is like. It's all similar stamps. Okay, I kept it in one row, and the next similar stamps in the second row. That's why I'm glancing it faster. Okay. Now, this seems to be some of the rare stamps which have been collected. Okay. OFF.SAK is also called as Norway, I believe. So now over it is mentioned as Norge or Norway. OFF.SAK is also a Norway stamps. A good collection. So I'll come to the fourth page of the album. Okay, some more stamps are here. These are all Norway stamps. Okay. I have a few collection of Sweden stamps also. I'll combine with this album itself. Okay. Now you can see the Sweden stamps here. It is called as Sverige. 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 Nothing but Sweden. Okay, I'm combining Norway and Sweden as one album. I have only few sheets of Sweden stamps. I think it's all got mixed up in the other albums. I'll have to see how many more collections I have. As I told, I'm segregating. I'll segregate the stamps and make separate videos of that. This is the first page of the album. Let me see whether there is some stamps on the reverse side. No, on the reverse side there are no stamps. It's all only one sheet of Norway stamps. So you can see Norway stamps and Norge, Switzerland stamps together in one side. Thank you. If you have liked it, please press the button like and then subscribe for my channel.